is Dr. Sadio Siat, and I'm the chair of Managing Committee of Somali STEM Society. Somali STEM Society is an umbrella association for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics in all Somali regions, bringing together the students, academics, researchers, and entrepreneurs who have a common interest in STEM subjects to create a platform to share, learn, and contribute in STEM-related skills and knowledges. Somali STEM Society do a lot of activities. We started the first STEM Lab Center of Excellence that we are actually launching soon. We host the annual Somali STEM Summit, where we actually bring academics, students, people who have backgrounds in STEM-related subjects. And we also do an Africa Science Week in all Somali regions because we don't want to leave behind anybody. STEM is part of our daily life, and we need to reach out those who are in the rural area and not leave behind, because without them knowing that they have the power to change their destinations, then nobody can actually support them every year. Africa Science Week is a global activity. I think the first group who done it was Egypt, and they focused more into agriculture. Then it became a little bit global, especially for the next Einstein Forum. So what we have done is that we invited people who are actually our representative in each regions. In Mogadishu, we train them, we give them the equipment, and they done it for their people. So it is just empowering and showing them that they have the power to change their daily lives.